Tell me about your experience of working on a tele-serial after so many years.
Television has come a long way, and this is more like doing 24 films. Every 45-minute episode is going to be like a film. You've seen the 5-minuter that we all saw together. And it's been intense because what you're trying to do is you're trying to bring the quality of a film and the same eye to detail on television.
So you said that you've done action and killed a few people in this show also. To tell us about your experience of doing action. For the first time, I'm assuming?
Well, almost the first time. It was a blast. I tell you, there is a reason why guys go all hand, because it gives you a kick. It gives you an adrenaline rush for sure. That's super fun.
So how long did you train for it?
Actually, since I am not a cop or an agent, I didn't have to train for it because I'm like holding the gun, like not really knowing how to hold the gun. So I'm not supposed to know how to hold the gun. So it was not much training at all. But basically, our action master, he taught us how to sort of load the gun and say, "Ye loaded hai, ye." But of course, when the thing went out, you're like, "Oh God, what's going on?" But it's fun.
Anil as a co-star.
Like I said earlier, it's a bit like in a close two shot. You're looking, you're saying, "Oh my God, Tezab! Oh my God, Mr. India! Oh my God, Lame!" Because you're used to that face on screen, and it takes a bit of training to let go of the child in you that's sort of seen sitting in a movie hall over so many years, this huge movie actor who's been in Ram Lakhan and all these iconic movies, and singing 1, 2, ka 4, and you're just it's hard to let go of that. But on a completely different note, he is so motivating. And 2 o'clock at night, you're like, "Oh, yaar, so jao, neend aa rahi." But it's so tiring. So he like pull out a protein bar and say, "Chalo, come on, let's go." And as I mentioned, 8 o'clock in the morning, I get an SMS saying, "How's the diet going? How's it going? So he's fully pepped up. It's amazing.
So how many kilos did you lose for this role?
A lot. Well, firstly, shooting 24 in itself makes you lose weight because there's so much of work and it's intense and it's action and there's literally non-stop shooting. You do not get a moment's rest in that entire shooting day. It's not like you go and chill after a shot. After a shot, you do another shot, and after another shot, you do another shot, and then yet another shot, and so on and so forth. Everyone is constantly working. So after like a week of shooting, you need a week's break, except that there's no week's break. So it's the shooting itself is very, very hard. And after a few days, you miss it. Because you're like, if you go to a regular shoot, you're like, "Arey yaar, kitne aista ye log kaam kar rahe hain. Why the hell are they not working at the speed?" Abhinay is, I love Delhi Belly. It was like a ha 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 ha. I was laughing through it. I thought he would be completely different. I was very surprised. He's a hard taskmaster. He will not leave you for a moment. And he's very headstrong, and so am I. So it's a great working relationship. I have had the time of my life working with him.
Previously, you've done TV shows and stuff. What do you think will be people's response to this?
I'm hoping, and I think all of us are hoping, that there'll be a new audience that will emerge as a result of this. Because a lot of people are craving Indian content. A lot of people are watching like a lot of international formatted shows. I myself watch a lot of American shows. Because there is nothing which is inspiring and challenging you mentally but ultimately we're Indians. We want to see Indian people doing Indian things in an Indian scenario. And so here it is. So here's something which is from India, for India, by Indians. Sure, we've got the format and the content to some extent from the West, but it's wholly indigenous now. Ab humne usko apna bana liya hai. So I'm hoping that there's a great many takers for this.
Could you tell me something about your character in this?
I'm playing Trisha Rathore, Jai Singh Rathor's wife, Anil Kapoor's wife, his character's wife. And I'm a strong-headed woman who's very clear about what she wants in life. And at a particular point before the show starts, they've had a problem in their marriage. And when the show starts, they're trying to get their marriage back together. And just about then, these 24 hours happen. And so they don't know where they're at with each other. They're still... And in the middle of all of this, he's trying to tell her something and she's like, I don't want to take your call. And, so that the communication is not firmly established. So what is there, that other emotional angle is also added to the mix with all the other things that are happening.
Was this originally your choice of character?
Absolutely.
So you didn't want to play Mandira's character, the action, to do actual action?
Then I would have played it. Off the sets altogether, it's a blast. It's a fun young unit where everybody's sort of, chilling and laughing and joking. But it's a lot of hard work. So I think I'm looking forward to us getting together and partying now once the show comes on air.
What kind of hiccups did you face during the series?
Hiccups in terms of, I think for me the single biggest challenge has been to keep up the consistency and detailed film work on television. That for me has been hard. The toughest scene? Hard to say, I think. Hard to say. They've been tough in different ways. Some have been physically challenging, but nothing so unusually tough. Thank you.